Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to repost someone's Instagram story to your own. Instagram users have the option to share posts in which they have been tagged to their own stories. You'll get a push notification and a direct message when someone else tags you in their Instagram story using the @mention feature. You can repost an Instagram story in which you were mentioned by tapping the notification in your inbox. To make you understand more, I am going to show you an example. On your Instagram account, when someone tags you, you can see that directly on your notification. It will appear right here. So Instagram will give you an option to add this post to your story. So let's just say you're tagging the story. You can probably see your name up anyway right here. All you have to do is to tap add this post to your story. As easy as that. Now another way is this. When you click someone's Instagram story and you really wanted to repost this one to your own Instagram story, and whenever you click this paper plane right here, scroll down, you cannot see any option to add this to your story. So all you have to do is to go back and visit the person's profile to see if this person also shared it to her wall. For example, I am going to visit that person's profile. So as you can see here, that person also shared those Instagram story pictures on her wall. So this would be very easy to repost. All you have to do is to click the paper plane and then click add post to your story. And then click next, click share, and then done. As easy as that. So you can go back to your profile and check your story if you reposted it. But what if you wanted to repost someone else's story and when you visit her profile, she didn't post these stories on her wall? How are we going to do with that? There's a very easy way to repost this. Click the story again, take a screenshot, and then go to your profile, tap your story, click your gallery, and then click the picture, tap this arrow here, and then click share. Tap done. So these are the ways on how to repost someone's Instagram story to your own. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.